Hello student, welcome in my YouTube channel Science Classes. Today we study the class 10th chapter Chemical Reaction and Equation. Topic Balancing of Chemical Equation. In previous classes we already studied the type of chemical equation, balanced chemical equation and unbalanced chemical equation. Also make the one questions why we balance any type of chemical equation, any type of unbalanced chemical equation. Then answer is the to satisfy the law of mass conservation we balance any type of unbalanced chemical equation. In this class we study the how we can balance any unbalanced chemical equation. Then for the balancing of chemical equation we follow the following step. First, for balancing of unbalanced chemical equation, we multiply suitable number as numerical coefficient before the symbol of element. What is the numerical coefficient or stoichiometric coefficient? We study in the previous classes. For example, N2 plus H2 equal to NH3. So, to balance this equation, we multiply the number before the N2 or before the H2 or before the NH3. We cannot make any type of change in the formula of compound. For example, N2, so we cannot change the N2 as a N3 or N4. H2, we cannot change the H2 as H3 or H4. NH3, we cannot change the NH3 N2 H6, etc. In this equation, we multiply the 3 in H2 and 2 before the NH3. So, and this give the balanced chemical equation. Some other step for the balancing. During the balancing of chemical equation, first we balance atom other than hydrogen and oxygen. Then we balance hydrogen. After then we balance oxygen if required. What is the step? किसी भी केमिकल इक्वेशन को बैलेंस करने के लिए सबसे पहले हम उन एटम्स अदर देन हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन, जो भी एटम्स हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन को छोड़कर जो भी एटम्स होंगे हम उनको बैलेंस करेंगे. उसके बाद हम हाइड्रोजन को बैलेंस करेंगे, उसके बाद ऑक्सीजन को बैलेंस करेंगे अगर रिक्वायरमेंट होती है. तो क्यों ऐसा होता है? ऐसा क्यों होता है? क्योंकि कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि हम किसी भी केमिकल इक्वेशन को बैलेंस करते हैं तो ऑक्सीजन ऑटोमेटिकली बैलेंस हो जाता है बिफोर if we balance the other atom oxygen and hydrogen and then hydrogen. So we balance the oxygen if required. If the oxygen automatically balance during the balancing of other atom, so that we cannot any type of need to balance the oxygen. Method for the balancing of chemical equation. There are two methods for the balancing of chemical equation. First, heat and trial method, and second is the table method. In the heat and trial method, we choose the suitable number and multiply and check what is the correct number. In heat and trial method, we take a number and multiply in the unbalanced chemical equation. If we get the balanced chemical equation, then this number is correct. If we not get the balanced chemical equation, then this number is incorrect and we choose the other number. For example, balance the following chemical equation. MnO2 plus HCl equal to MnCl2 plus Cl2 plus H2. Answer: MnO2 plus HCl equal to MnCl2 plus Cl2 plus H2. First we balance the atom other than the hydrogen and oxygen. In this equation, two different atoms from the hydrogen and oxygen, Mn and Cl. First we balance the Mn. In the reactant, number of Mn is 1 and in the product also the number of Mn is 1. Then we balance the chlorine. Why? Because we balance the other atoms other than hydrogen and oxygen. So two atoms other than hydrogen and oxygen, Mn and Cl. The Mn are balanced. Mn are balanced first. The one Mn in the reactant and one Mn in the product. Due to this, Mn is already balanced. We check the Cl. One Cl atom in the reactant and in the product, two Cl atom in the MnCl2 and two Cl atom in the Cl2. Total number of Cl atom in the product is 4, but number of Cl atom in the reactant is 1. Then in the reactant we multiply the 4 before the HCl. Due to this, Cl become equal to the 4 Cl atom in the reactant and 4 Cl atom in the product. But by multiplying the 4 in HCl, number of hydrogen atom in the reactant is 4, but number of hydrogen atom in the product is 2. In the product we multiply the 2 in the H2O, 2 to the 4. Total number of hydrogen atom in the product also 4. So we get balanced hydrogen. Then we check the oxygen. In the reactant, number of oxygen atom is 2. In the product, number of oxygen atom 2 into 1 equal to 2. That means the oxygen already balanced during the balancing of Mn, Cl and H. So we can no need to balance the oxygen atom. The oxygen is automatically balanced during the balancing of Mn, HCl and H. So we have no need to balance the oxygen atom. Then we get the balanced chemical equation MnO2 plus 4HCl equal to MnCl2 plus Cl2 plus 2H2O. Then we discuss about the table method. In the table method, we take the same equation MnO2 plus HCl equal to MnCl2 plus Cl2 plus H2O. We make the table include the element, number of atom in reactant, number of atom in product. First write the name of element, symbol of element Mn, Cl, H and O. First we balance the Mn, 1 in the reactant and 1 in the product. So we have no need to balance the Mn. Then we check the Cl. In the reactant, Cl is 4 and in product in the reactant Cl is 1 and in the product Cl is 4. Then we multiply the 4 in Cl equal to hydrogen Cl is 4. When Cl is become 4, the number of Cl atom in the reactant and product is 4. But when we multiply the 4 in Cl, then 4 multiplied in whole compound HCl, then the hydrogen is also become 4 in the reactant. 4 hydrogen, and in the product hydrogen is 2. Then we multiply 2 in hydrogen equal, we get the 4 hydrogen, then we write the 2 with H2O. Then we check the oxygen. In the reactant oxygen is 2 and in the product oxygen 2 stoichiometric coefficient and 1 number of oxygen atom in H2O equal to 2. Then we get the balanced chemical we get the 2 and 2 oxygen in reactant and 2 oxygen in product. Then we have the balanced chemical equation MnO2 plus 4HCl equal to MnCl2 plus Cl2 plus 2H2O. But in the examination, which method we balance the chemical equation, it does not have any matter क्योंकि examination में we have the question have the only balance the chemical equation given by unbalanced chemical equation. By which method we balance it doesn't matter. एग्जाम में हम किस मेथड से हम इक्वेशन को बैलेंस करते हैं इससे कोई मतलब नहीं है, किसी भी मेथड से बैलेंस करते हैं। तो इस तरीके से हम देखते हैं तो हिट एंड ट्रायल मेथड मोर सुटेबल होता है, क्योंकि इसमें हम डायरेक्टली बैलेंस कर देते हैं इक्वेशन को। टेबल मेथड थोड़ा लिख के करने में थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेशन आता है इसमें, तो इससे कोई मतलब नहीं है कि हम एक नंबर का क्वेश्चन होता है बैलेंस द केमिकल इक्वेशन इन द बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन। सो वी balance the by any method chemical equation to get the balanced chemical equation. Thank you.